No, I feel horrendous.
I'll shake you about it.
No, please don't.
You look so miserable right now.
I'm scared.
Do you want to just bring the bowl over here, Mum? Ben, can you bring the bowl over, please?
He can't, he's cooking. Nanny's through there. A bowl?
Cooking, I'm standing in like
The
this.
egg,
What
the egg,
bowl?
egg bowl.
That bowl.
Bowl that we can put the hair in.
I'll drop it on the floor, actually. Much better.
We could make some real cress heads.
Feel like a sheep.
You still look like one. Lighten up. You look lovely, darling. You still look like one because you're still curly. Because your hair's long enough to still be curly.
Well, this means I've got to give
Just for something else.
yeah.
Yeah. What are you giving me?
Well, you and Chris are going to share a present.
Okay.
You'll see it. So now I've just left have your half.
Okay.
Okay.
What's it leave
You
on?
look more amazed than me.
Hey?
It's your face. It's your face. I don't know if it's horror or amazement or what.
Take the news off.
Oh,
Actually,
Dan,
just
it
take
looks
the news.
it really looks lovely though.
Do you think 2 minutes is enough?
Yeah.